I've always wondered where vegetable oil comes from. Alright, welcome to my vegetarian kitchen. Tonight I'm going to be making a spicy tofu dish. First you need to, open the packet, drain it, pour the water out. Oh fuck. Next you slice the tofu, and I'm just going to keep it in big fat chunks like that and just slice it like so. And I'm going to slice them again. It's going to be almost in some squares. Alright, and that's all we need. So our tofu is cut. We're just going to sprinkle it on the tofu. Shit. Alright. Ginger powder. Ginger is good for you. Ginger is good for you. Ginger is good for you. And tofu is made from soya beans. Meat is bad for you. But at least it's not meat. I'm gonna take the tofu off the cutting board. Alright, you just cut your onions up. More onions. Vegetarians are cleanly people. That's why we're healthy. We live longer. We're happier than regular cannibals. Blood eaters. Cannibals. Tomatoes. So you slice your tomatoes up. Some people call them spring onions. And you try not to cut your finger while you're looking at the LCD, because we vegetarians are against bloodshed. Peppers. Let me get this in focus. Alright. Ooh. Still not? Alright. There we go. Peppers. These are full of flavor. So you cut your peppers up. Focus again. Oh, my bad. This is what happens when you do it yourself. Anyway, you cut the peppers up. Thyme. And thyme. And I'll use about this much. The chipotle. Focus. Yeah. The ginger. And the all-purpose. So vegetable oil comes from, can you see it? No? Shit. Fuck. See, this is why you need to set up shots before. Alright. Anyway, it says soya bean. Fuck it. It says soya. Pour soya bean oil in the pot. Heat it for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to put a test piece of tofu in it. Make sure everything is good. Add the rest to it. Ah! Watch me as I turn them, you see? Oh, then they're nice and brown. Alright. That is all they're supposed to be. So you just fry them till they're nice, crisp, and brown. Vegetarianism is exciting and healthy, and just everything good, I don't know why people are still killing animals. And what trips me out are people who say they are progressive, yet they're at Burger King and McDonald's eating cows, at KFC eating chicken. Like, come on. Blood eaters, cannibals. Let me hold the camera. over the pot so you can see it. When people cook vegetarian food, they tend to think you have to do some special things with it. No, you just cook it like you would cook the flesh that you eat. You season it and you just cook it just like, say you know how to curry chicken or brown stew or jerk or barbecue chicken. You do the same with the tofu. You do the same with vegetarian food, and it will come out tasting good. It's progressive food. Oh yes, that is what we are looking for. So now that your tofu is all fried up and crisp and golden brown looking scrumptious, shuffle them out the pot. I think autofocus would be better. Yeah. The third step was heating the oil. The fourth step was frying the tofu. And the fifth step is frying this stuff up. All you need to do is just slide this stuff off. See the lovely colors? No blood, no flesh. This is all natural from the earth. No steroids, no antibiotics, no animal cruelty to cook the flavors out. So they'll like soak in the tofu when you put the tofu in. I'm just going to be adding 2 cubes of chipotle. You just drop it in and crush it. Add some of the all-purpose in it. And then some of the powdered ginger. Everything is kind of cooked. It smells really good. So now you just add the tofu in. And then you mix it. Let that sit on low fire for like 5 minutes. Just keep stirring it because you want to, you know, cook the flavors into the tofu. Oh yeah. Adjust that focus. Now we go in, look at that. Ooh. Look at that healthy food. Oh my God. That looks great. Wonderful. Scrumptious. Tofu, I love you. Because you taste so good. Right now I'm going to just put some rice on so I have something to eat with this. Alright, rice. Shit. Alright. Don't tell me. Alright, I'm out of rice. Whole spaghetti now. Alright. I guess I just have to do it with this. This is couscous. I'll just put some tofu in first. Yeah. And this is my plate. I'm going to be eating all of this. Everything you see in this plate. Oh man. See that? Tell me, doesn't that look good? Man, it came out okay. Look how good that looks. Vegetarianism is the way to go. Yep. I can't wait to eat that stuff. Even the couscous looks good from here. Ooh.